Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to download Call of Duty Warzone on PC and laptop. And for this, go to Google and then search for Call of Duty Warzone download. And then we go to the Call of Duty website. And then right here we click on battle.net because this is the best launcher to play Call of Duty Warzone in. Then after this we click on try download again when it's not working, but I already see that the setup is already here. So we click now on the setup, select the language that you want to use, then do continue, then we do yes. Then right here, click on launch battle.net when your computer got started up. For now that's not necessary, so we don't do that. I don't like starting programs, but do continue right now. Right now he is installing battle.net, so we need to wait a few seconds. And then right now log in with your account, and if you don't have an account, please create one. I'm using my Google account, so that's much easier. So I log in with my Google account. Alright, then make sure that you can log in with an account, or click here on create a free battle.net account, or log in with some of these apps right here. I like to log in with my Google account, so I click on Google, select the account that I want to use, and then I don't have a Battle.net account, so we click on no create account, fill in your birthday, your name, then this is fine, create your tag, continue. And then our account got created, so this is great. Then we do done, click everything away. And now we are here on Battle.net. And then from now we click on Call of Duty, and then we want to play for free, so we click on play for free. Then we need to add our phone number, so add your phone number to it. And then right now you will see exactly this. You can change the language if you want to, but right now we click on continue. Select the games that you want to download. For me it's just the Warzone. And then the install will start. After this you can play Warzone on this PC, and this is exactly how you can download Warzone on your laptop or PC. Hopefully this video helped you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.